Right, I'm in this gorgeous pasture in the Somerset countryside. I'm heading for that big hill over there. But there are a group of horses there. They look more like horses than ponies to me. And like cows, horses can get curious. So I've got to be ready to get over a wall. So I'm not walking in the middle. If they spot you, he spotted me already, that one over there. They think you've got food, see. But anyway, I've come across this ruin while I'm here, so I just will video it. It'll be very breezy, the video. But here's a ruin. Look at the old stone, isn't it? Entrance to something. It's probably on the map what it's called, I'll find out later. Yeah, look. An old building. Yeah, the sun's coming out a bit now. Yeah, there's a bit more here. A bit more, it was quite a substantial building. I would have thought it'd be some sort of farmhouse. In the past, and I expect it will be listed. More of it there as well. It's always good to have a discovery while out. Like I said, I'm not going to wander across that part of the field yet till I found a way, because of the horses. Don't want 20 horses galloping at me. I've been knocked unconscious by horses before up on the farm in Cumbria, and they weren't galloping, they were just pushing me out the way to get the hay. They didn't intend to hurt me, but their big body swinging about. Every time I've been knocked out completely for, well, not long. So, yeah, Eileen said to me, make sure you cut the string on the bell before you try. They get excited when they know they're being fed, you see. Right, so I'm up on above Cheddar. I've been up on a cliff right over there a minute ago, and I'm hoping to get on that hill there. And I think ponies are different. Ponies just really ignore you, but horses, no, not if they're proper horses. Yeah, this was definitely a homestead here. Definitely a homestead. This was probably a garden here. And once in the past there were chickens and other things here. So imagine that. Go back in time, there were people walking here. There's another little bit there. You can feel the ancients. Oh, this is a bumpy old field, isn't it? See, not following a defined route, it is hard to know where the way over there is. But just in case of getting over there. I'm just going to have a wander around this humpy bit. Yeah, humpy bumpy things. Common actually up this way. Must be something to do with the limestone or something. Encourages. Now this looks like a defined path. Like the limestone might encourage certain development of plants. I wonder if you can get on that. Yeah, this was definitely a big farmhouse, I'd say. Just come back to the beginning. It's weird when you don't know where you're going to go. I mean, obviously I want to end up at Cheddar, but I'm really exploring quite a lot at the moment. Over and out, so I can take some pictures.